Listen, I've got some tickets for a great play on Sunday night. Are you free, Melanie?
Sunday night? Yeah, I'm free. What kind of play is it?
A musical.
Oh, actually, I don't really like musicals. Thanks anyway. Some other time, maybe.
Oh, sure.
There's a great new Mexican restaurant downtown. Would you like to try it, Jake? We could go there for dinner on Friday night.
That sounds great. I love Mexican food.
Maybe after dinner we could take a walk in the park.
Yeah, I haven't been to the park in a long time, and it's supposed to be really nice out.
Are you doing anything tonight, Sarah? How about seeing a movie?
A movie? I'd like to, but I'm really tired.
Are you sure? There's a new French movie I'm dying to see.
I really think I'd better stay home tonight. I've been out nearly every night this week. Maybe some other time?
Sure.
I'm going to the park with some friends for a barbecue this weekend.
That sounds fun.
Would you like to come with us, Ben? We're going on Sunday afternoon.
Sunday afternoon? I'd love to. Oh, wait. I just remembered. I'm going to a baseball game with my dad. He got the tickets a month ago.
That sounds cool, too. Enjoy the game.
Do you like ice skating, Jen?
I've never tried it.
Then you have to try it. How about Thursday or Friday night?
Thursday night is no good for me. I have a Spanish class.
Is Friday night okay?
Yes, it's fine.
Terrific. You'll love it. Then after we finish, we can get something to eat downtown.
Okay. Thanks. Would you like to see a tennis match with me on Sunday afternoon, Stephen?
Sunday? What am I doing on Sunday afternoon? That should be okay. I don't think I have any plans.
Great. And maybe after the match we could see a movie?
Sounds good.